In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Spotify on Discord in just a few easy steps. This is a really useful setup if you want your friends to see what you're listening to, and it also makes your Discord profile feel a lot more connected and personal. Whether you're using Discord for gaming, hanging out, or chatting with friends, linking Spotify is quick and simple. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your PC, or launch the Discord desktop app if you already have it installed. Once Discord is open, look down at the bottom left corner of the screen and click the gear icon. That gear icon takes you straight into user settings, where you can connect different apps and accounts to Discord. After you're in user settings, look for the connections option in the left-hand menu and click it. This section is where Discord lets you link services like Spotify, Twitch, and other platforms. Now you should see a list of connection options, and one of them will be the Spotify icon. Click on the Spotify icon to begin the linking process. Discord will open a login window and ask you to sign in to your Spotify account. Go ahead and enter your Spotify login details, then authorize Discord when prompted. This permission allows Discord to show your listening activity and display Spotify as part of your status. Once your Spotify account is connected, the next step is to open Spotify or the Spotify desktop app. Now simply play any song, album, or playlist you want. As soon as music starts playing, Discord will automatically detect it. You should now see your Spotify music appear as your Discord status, letting others know exactly what you're listening to in real time. If you want, you can also go back into Discord settings later and adjust your activity options or privacy settings, but for most users, the default setup works perfectly. And that's it! You've successfully connected Spotify to Discord and can now show your music activity on your profile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.